Good morning, students. Today I am discussing about chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics is a branch of science deals with the study of the rate of a chemical reaction or process. The rate of reaction can be studying the time course of changes in the concentration. It means changes in the concentration of drug respective with change in the time period. It may be either positive or negative. Minus sign indicates decrease in the concentration of drug with time period. The rate means velocity or speed of a reaction is given by the above equation. This is the equation. In this above equation, dc means small changes in concentration within a given time interval dt. Minus sign indicates decrease in the concentration of drug with respect to time. If in case of gases, time courses of changes in pressure of the system can be studied. Chemical reaction rate in solution is higher than compared to suspensions. The rate of chemical reaction in suspensions is higher than solids. When comparing these chemical reaction process, the rate of reaction of chemical reaction is faster in solutions and slow in solids. Next one, applications of chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics are useful for various fields of pharmacy. First one is stability of drugs. The stability of drugs can be determined by using chemical kinetics. These principles are used for determining the expiry period of the drugs. Expiry period of drugs means shelf life. So determine the shelf life of the drug. These principles are used. Next one, dissolution. If in case of solid dosage forms like tablets, immediate release converted into molecular solution. These type of dissolution studies can be studied by using chemical kinetic process. If the dosage form having higher dissolution rate, the rate of absorption is also having faster. It can be expressed in terms of rate process. Next one, drug release. Prodrug means these are the inactive drug after entered into body by the chemicals or enzymatic reaction. They are converted into pharmacologically active or parent drug to produce desired pharmacological actions. For which type of drugs can be suitable for prodrugs? Drugs which are having poorly soluble or drugs which are having poorly bioavailable drugs, they are converted into prodrugs. Chemical kinetics principles are used for predict the release of drug pattern from the prodrugs. Next one, pharmacokinetics. It is a branch of science deals with the absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion of a given drugs. These pharmacokinetic principles of respective drug can be expressed in terms of rate constant. So pharmacokinetic principles are useful for determined by using chemical kinetics. Drug action. Drug action can be chemical kinetics are useful for predict the interaction between drug and myomembranes. These are the various types of applications of chemical kinetics used in pharmacy. Thank you.